everyone, it's Liz here, and I'm just here at 5 Valhalla Inn Rd, unit 2409. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath for rent. The monthly rental is $19.50 per month. The unit is vacant and available immediately. It comes with the 5 appliances, fridge, stove, microwave, dishwasher, and then it's got the stackable washer and dryer. Got awesome space here for some cabinets. Take a look through. Got a double closet at the front. The ensuite laundry is right here. Very well kept unit. You've got this island here in the kitchen, but still you have some room if you want to put like a little table, an eating area. So this is the living room, dining room here. Again, a great space for a young couple, single person, young professional. 4-piece washroom. And it's great because you've got the semi-ensuite into the bedroom. Bedroom does have broadloom. And a very large double closet. We're on the 24th floor. And then I'll take you to the balcony. And there we are. Obviously amazing highway access. Minutes to downtown Toronto. Kipling Station is just minutes away. Great location. And so this is it. If you are looking for a rental or know someone who might be, please forward this along. If you have any questions, you can call me. It's Liz with Remax Realtron. My direct number is 416-451-5573. Thank you.